So this is the thing I said earlier. As you can see, how the market has gone, and this is still pushing price all the way up, coming starting from there, still going all the way up. Yeah, still going all the way up because of one signal which was given here. Let's push price all the way up, and also step index. As you can see, the signal is given from this point, a buy signal, and the market went all the way up, just like I said. Yeah, as you can see how the market is moving, pushes price from that point to that point. Yeah, so the signal was given just here, so saying a buy signal, and from the buy it went all the way up. So I took an entry at this point. The market just a little bit down here, then also the crossing here up, and though this one was showing a down channel, but the support here is the one which made it at least go all the way up. As you can see, it's making profit. Then for this, we all know, starting from here, the moving average pushed price all the way up. So this is now the resistance, the major resistance. So from here, take TPO. You can wait until it touches that point because the market is making a very good retracement at this point, and it's a good trade. Then what else? Oh yeah, so this is just the basic system where you see the crossing here. It's pushing price all the way up, and the signal is given here. Yeah, same thing. Coming from here, where you see the buy signal, push price. See here, crossing up, and then yeah, start pushing price all the way up. As you can see. See, and for the reason for that is because we have a buy signal here in the 1 hour. So that 1 hour buy signal is the one which is pushing price coming back to that point. It's the same as boom and crash. The way boom and crash behaves, this is the same. This is one and the same thing. Because if I go to boom and crash right now, you see. Let me try crash. You see, this crash. This crash. This is crash 1000. It's the 1 hour chart. So the arrow is given there, and you see price went all the way up. I think I took a trade somewhere here, and I just cut it out. But yeah, as you can see, the price was going all the way up. This is crash. See, signal was given from that point, started pushing price all the way up, and the crossing happened from that point, and now it's pushing price up. You can see that in the this perspective where you see the crossing happening here, then price is going all the way up like that. But this one is very slow. Trading this one is very slow. That's what the problem is. It's very slow. So for crash 1000 it's very slow. But the problem I'm having is volatility 75, trading volatility 75, you won't see the signals won't be given to you. But the rest of the commodities, the signals are given. So the signals are given for, this is boom 500. So boom 500 is dropping. So coming from, like, a buy signal is given from this point, start pushing all the way up. So if you took your buy orders or buy entries from this point, it would have gone all the way up. Same thing applies from where it said selling from that point, coming all the way down, 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 down. Like, you just have to follow, because here this is where the actual crossing happened from, but this is way too much. This is like 1 hour. So for you to be in this, you have to, you could have held for days. But the trend for today should be this one, where the market was actually bullish, going all the way up. As you can see, the arrow was given here for a bullish market trend, and yeah, started pushing price all the way up. Then yeah, 30 minutes, same thing. You see that, take your entries and all. But for boom and crash, I've just found out that these are very slow, and I'm sure it's the one which makes people lose some confidence when it comes to trading. This one you need this one because of the spikes. It tends to mess up with people's emotions, and yeah, it's just something not for beginners. Because if you start trading boom and cash as your first asset, uh, it messes up. You lose hope when it comes to trading these other things. But once you just get the hang of swing trading these other things, and you're good to go. You see, this has gone all the way up, it has been broken that, and it's pushing price all the way up. So these are the indicators. Or I'm going to do up a setup which is going to consist of these things. Then we see how we can work with all this. Because yeah, setup is almost complete now. But the most thing you need is just this. Once you see this, then you're good. And also when you do price action, you identify the trends. So here a breakout just happened from this point. A breakout just happened. So there was resistance here, then a breakout just happened, then boom. Price is trying to push all the way up to this verified resistance here to make a second, third retest. So yeah, there you have it. I think I've just explained everything now.